12 long-form blog content ideas you can publish on your website or on your client's blog to get a boost in rankings, traffic, and leads. We are covering the 8th idea. So let's jump straight to the table of contents where we list all the ideas, and let's go to post number 8, which is called trends. Why would you like to create a similar post where trends is the core topic, regardless of the subject you cover in your industry or niche? There are 4 top advantages at least for crafting trends blog post, and these advantages you'll find out that they are the same for all the other 11 featured blog post ideas. So this is long form blog content. That means that out of these trends type of blog posts you can create a whole content hub, a massive content hub. It's simple. You just have to expand on the ideas, include more keywords, more topics, more subtopics, more subjects. The key advantage is that once your post gets traffic, it goes viral. You'll be able to get brand mentions and generate backlinks because people, your target audience, your potential buyers, customers, clients will be glad to share this post with others. You also will be able to outrank and outsmart competitors if this post gets done right, which I'm about to share with you with this with plenty of examples. You're about to dominate, hopefully, Google search results and your competitors. Here's a quick tip. Stand out amongst competitors not covering latest trends on their blogs. Yes, I would say most bloggers, agencies, digital marketers are not sharing the latest trends covering their topic or industry. When you do so, you can combine trendy topics with evergreen content ideas, and you'll have a winning long-form blog post. That means that your trends topic should not be limited just to the trend. You can always interlink to other pages on your site and expand the trends blog post article itself. Now, there are 2 mistakes which I want you to avoid when creating this post. A major mistake is not updating the post with the latest trends happening in the industry. This year, for example, if you have already published a trends post last year, you have to go in depth with research and update that post with the new trends, regardless of the industry. Digital marketing, technology industry, and other verticals are changing at fast speed. That means trends type of post are so much needed nowadays. You can publish one major trends post a month, each and every month, or just one a year. You already have these 12 blog post ideas you can focus on and publish one a month. The rest you can combine and find more ideas, plenty ideas, and you should make your blog the #1 content library in your industry. The more often you publish, the better, because you'll be able to leverage traffic from Google and other search engines. So another mistake to avoid is including less trends than all the other available options out there or your competitors' post. So in order to overcome this challenge and avoid this trend, you have to do in-depth competitive research. You wouldn't like to have a thin post, just limit yourself to 2,000 words when your competitors are probably writing double, triple, or 10x more content than yours. Content length is as important to blogging as content quality, and graphics and layout is also crucial. So combine these elements when creating these posts. Here's an example. One of the examples which I picked here is the one at themortgagereports.com. If you click on the image here on the left side, you'll be able to see the official blog post. So notice the number of the year, the current year. They even update this by months, okay, because the financial industry is requires that. Okay, so for this topic it requires that. Notice something about this. There is just one graphic featured in this post, and yes, they make use of relevant keywords, but why limit yourself just to one or two graphics, right? Add more, add plenty more. You'll benefit from leveraging image SEO. If you click on this snapshot here, on this screenshot, you will be able to see at a glance what Hrefs is showing for this particular blog post. Meaning, total number of backlinks generated so far, the live links, then the lost links here in red. Here we see unique reference domains, meaning this post got more than 1000 unique reference domains going back to this post. Organic keywords, meaning how many keywords, unique, distinct keywords, this post ranks for in Google and other search engines. So it's more than 6000 keywords, okay? The traffic monthly estimate which they get, according to Hrefs, is more than 41,000 visitors. But their analytics will show more than, probably a lot more traffic than what Hrefs is sharing, because Hrefs tends to show limit the minimum traffic or the average traffic, but only their analytics will be able to show, to reflect the reality. Estimate traffic value for pay-per-click ads is triple the number of organic traffic, meaning if you want to pay this traffic with the pay-per-click ads, you would expect to pay that much, meaning $160,000, which is amazing, which is a high price. But since it's the financial industry, the costs are high probably. So let's see other examples of trends posts in other industries which are compared with this one, and let's compare the number of backlinks and traffic they get. For example, we have this post in the fashion industry about best haircuts for women. Then we have for the same industry, for the fashion industry, fashion trends. Then we have a marketing relevant trendy topic by Forbes. So let's see how this post look like. Okay, now this post makes use of this menu so that whenever you want to navigate to the next example, you'd have to click to these buttons. And they make use of image SEO, I assume. Let's see. Yup, notice the keywords. Why this is important? Well, let's do a quick keyword research on Hrefs. But before we do that, let's also ask Hrefs to analyze the number of backlinks, organic keywords, etc. Because it's important we have a comparison. Although it's a different niche, a different website, they are targeting different keyword volumes, we'll be able to see in other industries how well they are ranking and doing in terms of SEO, right? Let's take a look. So these are the stats as shown by Hrefs. Notice they are only getting 141 referring domains going backlinking to this post, but they get 10x more backlinks from these domain names, meaning more out of these domains are linking multiple times. That's why the big discrepancy between the number of referring domains versus the number of overall backlinks. So let's see how's this financial post, which I profiled earlier, is doing. They get more backlinks, more unique referring domains than this one, right? So they get 10 times more referring domains. And organic traffic is 10,000. Organic traffic is a whooping 285,000 monthly visitors, compared with only 41,000 monthly visitors. So they get almost 5 times more traffic with less referring domains. The traffic value for this post is this much, while the traffic number for this post is this much, which is very, very similar. Now, what does this tell us? That each industry and each topic has different keyword volume, different keyword traffic values, and pay-per-click costs, which is something normal, right? But what is important is that these keywords generate this much traffic for this post alone, while these keywords generate 5 times more organic traffic. That's incredible. Regarding image SEO, as I told you before, image SEO is how you save, how you save as each graphic on your website. You have to use those long tail, easier to rank keywords. For example, let's take a look at lob haircut with bangs. Let's do a keyword research on that with Ahrefs. So that's a medium competitive keyword. That's the score shown by Ahrefs, and the monthly volume is more than 2,000 queries per month, which is a great keyword. So this website leverages image SEO with great effect. Let's see the other website. Notice the table of contents with jump links. These jump links actually go to a different page on their website. Notice they are big on graphics as well. Obviously, the fashion industry requires that. Let's see how well they are saving their graphics. They're labeling their graphics top fashion trends, the VU. Okay. Top fashion trends, okay. So, looks like they are using their own brand name in the graphics when they sell that. They are also sharing other people's websites link or brand name in their graphics file name, which is great because they can benefit from other companies and brands type in traffic, okay. Now, their graphic names are a bit longer. I would recommend you keep them to maximum 5 or 7 keywords, unique keywords, and usually you should not add your brand name in all the graphics, okay. It's okay to add them to just a few graphics. And let's see the article on marketing across Forbes website. Okay, I'm curious how well this Forbes post is doing in terms of backlinks and traffic. Now, while Ahrefs is loading, notice that they do outbound linking to other experts profiled here. So this looks like it's an expert type of blog post, meaning the insights, the content was created by other experts, third-party experts, right? However, what this post is lacking is the inner linking part, meaning, for example, marketing trend. Here, Forbes could have linked, or their editorial team could have linked to other sections, to other posts on their site, because inner SEO, inner page linking, along with image SEO, is the key on-page SEO factor. And Forbes, unfortunately, for this particular post, for this particular page, is not leveraging that. I'm not sure about other posts. Just out of curiosity, let's see if they are using inner linking. Yep, nope. Which is bad because they are not leveraging these SEO factors, meaning they are getting less ranks and backlinks. Now, for whatever reasons, Ahrefs is not showing us any data, so let's shorten the link and remove these characters. Okay, so that was the issue. They only get a bit more than 2000 monthly traffic and this many referring domains, but the traffic value is important here. So that's it for this type of blog post. Creating trends blog post helps generate traffic, links, leads, etc.